So here we have it, wrapped up. Take it out of the box. This one happens to be the mermaid. Oh, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And it's got a little tag on it. The Magic Lock Box. Talks about the artist. And it challenges you to figure out how to open it. Because it seems like you should be able to open this. And you discover that you take out that piece and this piece comes out. And there you have it. It is an extremely beautiful piece. I can't tell you how pretty this is. When you're looking at it, it's just a very pretty piece of art. Very nice construction and really nice colors and detail. Let's take a look at the bigger box. So here's a beautiful box with a dragon. And again, you get the sense that you can open it. You look on the top, it's beautiful artwork up there. And again, there's a piece that comes out and the box opens. And when you open the box, you'll see that there's another piece inside. And if you open this piece, then you noticed there's even another drawer. These are absolutely beautiful, gorgeous pieces. They're the kind of thing that are unique, special, and I believe are really going to be quite special as time goes on. So there you have it, Magic Lock Boxes. They're wonderful.